Everyone says that hardware is hard. In my view, it is different but not hard. This is because even a small error margin can cost you a big fortune. I hope you all remember the news about smartphone being busted. 35 explosions of smartphones were reported, and the major reason was that the manufacturer supplied untested batteries. You can save yourself from such goof-ups by a proper hardware testing cycle.
This testing cycle ensures that each and every component on your device are operate and perform effectively in different conditions where user can use it. At TechShlok, we can help you to perform various tests like thermal analysis, power analysis, visual analysis, user testing, performance testing and vibration testing, etc. Through this perfect testing report and cycles, you can be more confident to roll out your product in mass production.